And one of the things we do is examine leaf samples that folks have mailed in to us. This is one of the ways that we find a lot of our pure Americans that we use in our breeding program. Today I'm going to show you how to collect a leaf sample. We would like a sample that has about 6 inches of stem with 5 or 6 leaves on there. So I'm going to sacrifice this seedling, cut off a small section. I've got about 5 inches of stem and 5 leaves on here. And I'm going to show you how to press it. This is a professional plant press. If you don't have one of these, that's okay. You can accomplish the same effect using some heavy books. I'm going to use a section of newspaper. I'm going to take the sample and lay it nice and flat. Fold this over, making sure that I keep the sample flat. I don't want to fold any of the leaves over. You may want to, if you're collecting more than one, you'll want to label them. And then I put it in between these pieces of cardboard. That will help air get around the sample and dry it out. Put this back together. And then this press has straps that is used to clamp it down. And make it nice and tight. And after a few days, you'll have a nice pressed sample that you'll be able to send in the mail to us using the tree locator form that could be found on our website at acf.org. When you collect your sample, we would like it if you could collect from the very end of a branch. Don't collect something that's in the middle of a branch. We like it from the very end. This is called the terminal bud. Also, if you could get something that is a sun leaf. Sun leaves are the leaves that are usually on the top of the tree or around the outside, something that gets a lot of sunlight throughout the day. Versus a shade leaf, which are leaves that are on the interior of a tree and usually closer to the ground. We understand that it may not always be possible to collect a sun leaf, and collecting a shade leaf will be okay. And here is a nice sample. Again, it's about 6 inches of stem with about 8 or 9 leaves on there. It's nice and flat, and we will be able to use this. This will be very easy for us to identify. This one even has a flower. If you have the chance to do that, please incorporate the flower also.